Hi there. The following video will discuss how lunch will work until further notice, and then how lunch will work post-COVID. Your assigned lunch area will be found on your schedule. We will take a look at that in a little bit. Lunches will be served in the cafeteria and in the gym annex. The cafeteria will be divided into 6 areas, and the gym annex will be divided into 4 areas. Each area is labeled as C1, C2, C3, etc., or A1, A2, etc. Each area will have allotted numbers of desks to adhere to social distancing and grouping guidelines. Once you arrive to your area, choose a desk to sit in. A staff member will bring your lunch to you. You will be required to stay in that seat the entire lunch period. First, let's take a look at your schedule. Your schedule will either say lunch study hall or study hall lunch. With study hall lunch, what this will mean is you will go to study hall during the first half hour of your lunch period, and then you will go to your assigned lunch area during the second half of the lunch period. For lunch study hall, you will go to lunch during the first half hour of your lunch period, and you will go to study hall the second half hour of your lunch period. Now, some of you might be taking a class during the study hall time, but the same time you attend will apply. You will have 2 choices for lunch. You can either choose the cold item, which could be a salad, or you could choose the warm item. There will be a new warm item each day. Again, staff will bring you the lunch to your desk, and you always have the option to bring your own lunch from home. Student council members will be available today in each of the lunch areas to help you find your assigned lunch area. Do not be afraid to ask questions today or in the weeks to come. This is an important announcement that today you will attend your lunch area only during the entire period. You will not attend study hall. Let's take a tour of the lunch areas as we're walking from the foyer area. We will enter one of the entrance and exits of the cafeteria. And as we enter the cafeteria, you will notice the setup to keep you safe. Each area of the cafeteria is labeled. Again, here's C3 for those of you that have Cafe 3 on your schedule. And we walk into C2. You will notice desk 6 feet apart. Now remember, once you enter your designated area, you will sit in a seat and a staff member will serve you your lunch. As we continue through the cafeteria, here is C1. C4, 5, and 6 are on the other side of the dividers. And this will take us to another entrance or exit of the cafeteria. Let's take a tour to the annex lunch area as we're again coming from the foyer. Notice I'm staying on the right side of the yellow lines, just like you're doing in all the hallways. Once I get to the bookstore, I am going to take a left, and I'm going to continue I'm going to continue to follow the arrows and stay on the right side of the hall. Notice the arrows are pointing the opposite direction for those of you that are leaving the area of the annex. I'm going to take a right here. I'm going to continue to stay on the right side of the hall, and I will enter the gym annex, which has been converted to the second lunch area. You will find A1, A2, A3, and A4. Again, you will use the lunch area that is assigned to you on your schedule. Cafeteria staff will again serve you at your desk.